Apple will release the budget iPhone SE2 Release date, price. The device will receive all new technologies, as well as a cool camera. Insider information that Apple plans to release and present SE2 has periodically appeared since the spring of this year, but it has not been confirmed in practice. Insiders were sure that the device will be shown at a presentation in October. However, to the surprise of the public, SE2 never appeared on the shelves. Recently, netizens again started talking about the new product. According to insiders, SE2 will be presented in March 2019, and it should go on sale by the end of spring of that year. By the way, most likely, it will be budgetary. But, it is worth noting that for Apple, the budget one has a slightly different character. The price for the device will be about $500. For this money, you can buy the flagship Chinese smartphone from Xiaomi, which can compete with the iPhone XS Max itself. This gadget should compete with the cheapest model presented this year, iPhone XR. It is expected that the new smartphone will be equipped with a display that will occupy up to 85% of the front panel, as well as Face ID recognition technology. It is possible that he will receive the function of wireless charging, if the back panel is made of glass.